Yep, you see that just like I do. What is it, 3 a.m. Friday morning, February 12th, and we've got 3.5 inches of snow. My daughter just measured that, so that is the official measurement here, and we're getting in the truck off to spread salt. We did get the call yesterday evening about 5 o'clock that yeah, they wanted us out here about 3 o'clock to start spreading, so here we are. I don't know what the roads are like, but I'll soon find out. I've got the truck warming up here. I've got it brushed off. I'll have to scrape a little bit of ice, and then we're out of here. But I think the snow is going to let up or end actually by 5 a.m. That's the forecast right now. We'll see. All right, we're up here in line, ready to get loaded with salt. Two of our other guys, they are already loaded up, covering up, headed out. It's back there somewhere.
Your suction now. Okay. I have your clamp. Will that work?
Nope. Hey, we've got the call to send tractors out, so I'm trying to get my drivers rustled up since they didn't have any notice. Oh, I gotta go turn the light on. Since they did not have any notice, they're asleep. You know, it's 4 o'clock in the morning. Sane people are sleeping at that time. So I have got a hold of one driver. That's not good. All right, let's go to the next tractor. 3 tractors started now. Okay, tractors are ready. It's just that the drivers are not ready yet. I know I've got one on the way, and we've got phone calls in to 2 others. So we're just waiting to hear back from them, and then we're ready to go. Wow, those are some bright lights on that tractor. We put the new LEDs on that tractor 2 years ago, I think it was, and it made a huge difference. We have got a light bar on this tractor here. I just don't have it on. Well, okay, looking at the radar screen here, it looks like it's just about done. So this is the first round or the second round. I've kind of lost track of what's been happening this week. This is the second round. So looks like in another half an hour or so, the snow will be over with. So we'll only have to plow these routes one time. But then, let me go to the forecast here. We have got this highs in the lower 30s today, northeast winds 5 to 10. Slight chance of freezing rain tonight into the evening, then a chance of freezing rain, slight chance of snow after midnight, ice accumulation about a trace, lows in the upper 20s. And then tomorrow, freezing rain likely, chance of sleet in the morning, freezing rain likely with possible rain and sleet in the afternoon. Same thing tomorrow night, freezing rain likely, rain likely. Sunday, chance of rain. Sunday night, chance of rain. Monday, chance of rain. Monday night, freezing rain. Tuesday, rain and freezing rain. So this is a heck of a forecast, and it'll change 3 more times in the next 3 hours probably. But anyway, we'll do what we got to do. All right, I've jumped in the John Deere. We've got a driver for the 7140. Yeah. Oh yeah, I told Brandon I was going to make a pass so he could get out. So yes, go on down and plow to the end and back. Yeah, I forgot all about that dam. Yeah, all right. Bye. All right, so you can't see, but there's the one tractor headed out. Farmer's daughter is in the pickup truck, and I'm in the John Deere. It looks like a winter wonderland, doesn't it? All right, I'm back in the truck. We're following one tractor here, and I've got 2 tractors on the road at the moment, and I finally got in touch with the 3rd driver, so he should probably be getting on the road in the next 5 minutes or so. life is good at the moment until something breaks. Straighten the blade out.
Do you think Jim should be called the contract employees?
Turn it that way. There you go.
Sorry. I think when I turned it went on the ground. You threw me off. There we go. I got it now. Maybe I need to hold this thing.
Turn it towards you. Hey, we can see pavement now. It's 7:45. It's 31 degrees, but we're starting to get everything cleaned up. Salt's starting to work and get this stuff melted. I have run out of salt, so I'm headed up to get another load of salt. But so far so good. Things operating smoothly here. My new guy on the tractor's not doing too bad. I don't think he's taken down a mailbox or a stop sign yet, so that's always a good sign. I've got the farmer's daughter off to get some breakfast for us while I head up here and get another load of salt, and we'll all meet back up, eat a sandwich, and keep on rocking and rolling. I guess people have places to be this morning. There's a lot of darn traffic out here on the road. A lot of government employees going to work. I think Pax River was delayed 2 hours this morning, so that's why this traffic is out here now, I guess. I hope I got enough windshield washer fluid, because it's one of those days. And no, I still haven't replaced that wiper. You know, I'm headed up to get a load of salt, but I'm not sure there's going to be any left up there for me. I just saw one of our guys headed south. He had just gotten a load. I called him, and he said there's not much left in there. So this may be a wasted trip up here to get salt, but hey, we'll see. I don't know what their backup plan is. Well, they may have another place to get salt. Well, let's see. There was a truck that just headed south, but it didn't look like he was loaded. I think a couple of years ago they ran out of salt, and they did have an alternate location, but that was one of the years I was in Florida on vacation enjoying the warm weather, and all the guys were back here doing the work. So I didn't see that the alternate salt location. Oh, hey, I still see some salt in the bin there. So they're not out yet, but they're getting close. There you go. We got her done. It's almost 12 o'clock. The snow has stopped. It's 32 degrees. The salt is doing its job. All roads are clear. I just let off Sexy Rooster. Took him back to his house. He rode with me for a while. And I forgot to turn the camera on to show Sexy Rooster. I know he has some fans that watch this channel, and I got nothing for you. So yeah, almost noon. My butt is tired. I did not get any sleep last night. Up at 2:30 this morning. Here it is noon. I'm gonna go home and try to lay down because it is date night tonight, Friday night. So I'll try to get out to dinner, take my wife out to dinner, because I'm not taking her out on Valentine's Day. And so yeah, let me get home, see if I can get a nap. But yeah, it was a decent storm. So we got about 8 hours in, thereabouts, with the pickup truck. All 3 tractors went out for a little bit of time. They did not get the 8 hours in. No issues, no problems. All is good. So hey, I was running some numbers 2 days ago. I was just curious. So I've had this truck now with this plow and spreader for 5 years. I bought this truck new in 2016, and that was in the spring of 2016. That fall of 2016 is when I bought the spreader and the plow brand new to go on the truck. So for the last 5 seasons, not counting this storm that we've just finished, I have grossed over $22,000 with just this truck and this setup. So I was really surprised that it was that much money. And when we're mainly only working for county highways. I've got one other little contract that I do once I'm finished with county highways, that I'll go clear a parking lot for one other person. But yes, for snow and salt with county highways for the last 5 years, $22,000. So yeah, we've done okay with this setup. No complaints here, and no major failures or breakdowns or anything of that nature. So I'm very pleased with everything. Okay, I have said enough, done enough, shown enough, so I'm going to say see ya. See ya.